So what's the first thing you want to do after you mod your car? You want to see what your return on your investment is. How much did it improve the performance? And what if you didn't have to wait to go to the track to see how much your time improved? That's right, guys. Today we're going to be looking at the Draggy by Dragy Motorsports. So what exactly is the Draggy and what does it do? Well, it's a 10 Hertz magnetic GPS circuit board that's concealed in this beautifully sleek black case with one light on it. What does it do exactly? Well, it measures your car's performance, or any moving vehicle's performance. How does it do it? It uses GPS satellites to triangulate the position, and it's incredibly accurate. It's actually accurate to the 100th of a second. It's a virtual time slip. So setting up and using the Draggy is incredibly simple. First thing you're going to want to do is charge this. Charge it for at least 3 hours, that's what they recommend. Grab your phone, open up the Draggy app, and you're going to see this screen first. It's going to say Draggy and connect. Press connect. Boom. That's it. It's Bluetooth, so everything's incredibly fast. After you open it up, it's going to send satellite data to the Draggy and vice versa. That way it triangulates your position and calibrates it for use. So once you're done with that, it brings you to this page. This is the main page. It's called the Go page. This is where you're going to collect all your fun data. The next two pages are leaderboard and feed. So basically, it's a social media app within itself where you can post your results for everybody to see. Trust me, there is a lot of boasting in this thing. Last one is going to be me, which is your profile. This is where you can set up your picture, you can look at your history, you check your videos for previous runs, etc. and so forth. As far as using it, you're going to want to go to the Go page again, and you're going to want to click this video recording button. Now here, unfortunately, it's like a lead block in this thing, and satellites can't reach me. I don't have any signal. But once you get in there, it's very simple. You click that, turn it to landscape mode, and it's going to show you the camera view, and then you just click record as soon as you're ready to start. So once you're ready to start, you're going to want to make sure that the car is completely stopped and is not moving. The GPS starts timing you once you move a foot. So just be careful. Once you get to that screen, you're going to press record, and it's going to record the entire video while showing you all the data that you're collecting. It's going to show you 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 1/8, everything. You can customize this however you want to show you all that data. You can do 60 to 130, you can do a drag, you can do 0 to 60, 0 to 100, half mile, quarter mile, full mile, everything. It's on here. But of course, telling you how it works isn't as fun as showing you how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once you're ready to use the Draggy app, it's really simple. You're just gonna click on the Draggy app itself. It's gonna bring you to this main page right here. You're gonna press connect. And it's connected. And then it's gonna bring you to the main Go page. Right here, you see the bottom. It's got the Go, the leaderboard, the feed, and me. When you first open up the app, it's going to show you it's sending satellite data to the Draggy, and that's only to triangulate the position of where you're at. Once that's done and you're ready to collect data or make a pull, you're going to click on this camcorder up here, and it's going to bring you into the video. And then you're going to point the video wherever you want, and you're ready. Now, keep in mind, the time starts running as soon as you start moving. So that 0 foot indicator, that's where you want it to be at. Unless you're doing like a 60 to 130 or something like that, it'll still pick it up. But for drag times, you definitely want it to be on 0. So whenever you're ready, you just click record and you make your pull. Now, obviously this is just for demonstration purposes only, but once you're done making your pull, you're gonna click on the end record button, and I only did a 60 foot there, but it shows you all your data. And it's gonna show you all the data that you've actually been able to capture. So like 0 to 60, 0 to 30, 60 foot, your quarter mile time, your eighth time, all that can be collected. Let's get back to the video. Whatever type of data you're trying to collect, whether it's your 60 foot, your quarter mile, you want to see what your car does at 60 to 130, whatever you want, this thing can collect it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 561-753-8105, or you can send us an email at support@lethalperformance.com. As always, we're here to help. I'm Pobbs. This has been the Draggy by Dragy Motorsports.